Good morning everyone. Today in this video we will discuss some of the numericals of chapter 8 motion of class 9th. So our first question is a body moving along a straight line at 20 meter per second undergoes an acceleration of -4 meter per second square. After 2 seconds its speed will be. You have the four options: 8 meter per second, 12 meter per second, 16 meter per second and 28 meter per second. So in this statement, the statement you have given 20 meter per second. That means the velocity is, the given velocity is 20 meter per second. Acceleration is given, that is -4 meter per second square, and time is also given. Time is 2 seconds. You have to calculate its speed. You have to calculate the speed. Speed means one velocity 20 meter per second it is given, and the speed is, he is asking the speed. So this is the initial velocity u. This is u, and after accelerating means you have to calculate the v. So how can we calculate v, final velocity? We have the formula. We have some formulas. What is the formula? Formula is v is equal to u plus at. S is equal to ut plus half at square, and 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So which formula you can use to calculate this v? You will calculate v by using this formula, means v is equal to u plus at. U is 20, then plus acceleration is given -4, and t means time, that is 2. So you have 20, 4 2s are 8, -8, and minus plus minus minus. So 20 minus 8, that is 12 meter per second. So the second option will be the right answer. Similarly, next question is a moving train is brought to rest within 30 seconds. Moving train, the train is moving, that means there is some initial velocity, and it brought to rest, that means its final velocity v will be 0 within 30 seconds, means time is 30 seconds. By applying brakes, what is its initial velocity? That means you have to calculate u. If retardation is 3 meter per second square, retardation means it is negative acceleration, means -3 meter per second square. Again you have to calculate u now. So by using these formulas, you can take any one formula. We are using again first formula, first equation, that is v is equal to u plus at. Now this v is 0. We have to calculate u plus acceleration is -3, and time is given, that is 30 seconds. So 0 is equal to u. 3 3s are 9, means -90, plus minus minus, so it is -90. If we turn this -90 into this side, so we get u is equal to 90 meter per second. Similarly, we have third question. A body is moving in a circular path of radius 2 meter. Means now you have a circle. You have a circle and its radius is 2 meter. This is 2 meter. It completes one round in 2 seconds. So you have the radius is 2 meter and time for completing one round is 2 seconds. So you have to calculate its speed. We have the formula of speed is equal to v is equal to distance upon time. In case of the circle, what will be the distance? Distance is the circumference, and circumference is 2 pi r, and time is t. So in 2 pi means 22 upon 7. Radius is given 2 meter upon time. Time is given 2 seconds. 2 cancel out, that is equal to 44 upon 7. You can calculate it and convert it into decimals. 7 5s are 7 6s are 42. 2 remainder, 7 2s are 14. 6.2 meter per second. So this is the third question. Now this is question number 4. A motorcyclist attains a velocity of 36 kilometers per hour after accelerating uniformly from rest in 10 seconds. Find the distance traveled. Means a motorcyclist attains a velocity. Motorcyclist जो पहले rest पर था, that means initial velocity was 0, and it attains the speed of 36 kilometers per hour, and time is given, that is 10 seconds. Initially we have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, and as you know that we can convert kilometers per hour into meter per second by 5 upon 18. We will multiply this by 5 upon 18. 18 2s are 36 and 5 2s are 10. 10 meter per second. Now you have to calculate the distance traveled. So what is the distance traveled? Again we have two formulas to calculate the distance. S is equal to ut plus half at square, and 2as is equal to v square minus u square. How can we calculate? We don't have acceleration here and acceleration here. So initially we have to calculate the acceleration, means a is equal to v minus u upon t. We have v 10, u 0, and time 10. 10 minus 0, that is 10 upon 10, 1 meter per second square. Now you can use any of the two. We are using this third equation. So we have 2as is equal to v square minus u square. 2, acceleration is 1, s we have to calculate v square. V means 10 square minus u means 0, that is 0 square. 0 square 0. So if this is s, 10 square means 10 into 10, and this 2 is in multiply. Here it will be in divided form. 2 5s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. So the answer will be 50 meters. The next question is, a bus is moving at a speed of 18 kilometers per hour. Initially the bus is moving with 18 kilometers per hour speed. It is retarding. Retarding means the negative acceleration, means brakes are applied. Retarding 2 meter per second square. So acceleration, retarding means minus 2 meter per second square. Retarding means it is retardation. Retardation means negative acceleration, and comes to rest finally. Finally it comes to rest, that means v is equal to 0. Again we have to find the distance traveled. We can use the third equation now. 2as is equal to v square minus u square, that is 2 into acceleration is minus 2, and this is s is equal to v square. We have v square, yani v 0 minus u square. It is in kilometers per hour. Initially we have to calculate it into meter per second by multiplying it up with 5 by 18. 18 to 18 cancel, that is 5 meter per second. So we can use this u as 5. So it is 5 square. Now this s will be equal to 0 square cut, this minus sign, and this is 5 square, that means 5 into 5 upon this 2, and this 2 are in multiply form, here they will be in divided, that is 2 into minus 2. Minus to minus cancel out, 5 5s are 25, 2 2s are 4, 4 6s are 24, remainder is 1, 4 2s are 8, that is 6.2 meter. Today we have discussed these 5 numericals. I hope you have understood these numericals. You can just go through this video twice, and I hope you will get all the queries.